Hello! Nagluluto pala sila dyan. Apparently, there's a dress code. Welcome to another vlog, everyone! You need to wear dress code. They have. Let's look at around. Uy, soju. Hello. Wow. Palang mga bar dito. Paikot ba ito? Paikot. Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog, and today's episode is let's just have a show you tour, and it's allowed to vlog. This is the Sky 100, and it said it's a revolving tower. So if you enjoyed some of my videos of my other vlogs, you know, Japanese and other food, keep on watching. Let's show you around. So far been walking and walking. I don't know kung umiikot na siya because it's open at 11 a.m. So I'm just taking a tour. Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning. Thank you. Kailan to nag-open, sir?
By the way po, nung pandemic pa, semi-pandemic po, bukas na po kami.
Okay. Korean, di ba?
Yes, ma'am. Korean, authentic po.
Authentic? Oh,
yes, ma'am.
Nice. So this is great for family celebration.
Yes. Also, we have accepting the party, birthday.
You're accepting?
birthday party, wedding, debut, anything, any event po, ma'am.
Wow, nice. And kailangan may dress code, no?
By the way po, close shoes lang, okay na po.
Okay,
Kahit
muntik na
naka-shorts.
mag-sandals.
Okay, wag lang po
Saka, nung
magsasandals.
sinabi, naku, nag-check ako. Sabi
Yes,
ko,
ma'am.
Tinig ko ibang vlog.
Opo.
Okay, thanks
Thank you
for
po.
sharing. Thank
Enjoy
you.
po.
Enjoy. Thank you. So, friendly, accommodating. Ay, nagluluto pala dyan. Pwede? Oh, hello. Nagluluto pala sila dyan. Ayun. Sa'yo. Sige. Ketchup? Ketchup?
Yes po, this one po.
Ayun, nag-thumbs up?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayun.
Yes,
Ay, ayun. Aba,
Hey,
Ben,
and then
nakangiti
also,
lahat. I like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi ko naman makita. Nagre-reflect. Pero okay na rin. Oh, lahat nakasmile. I like people smiling. Pero hindi makita, okay lang. So, freshly made
Always
siya.
preparing the fresh meat, vegetables,
Fish.
anything po.
Always ano?
Preparing the fresh vegetable, anything.
Okay.
Happy lang po.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Sabi niya, take a picture lang daw and always happy. Wow. It's nice. Flowers nice too. And this one you can rent for 100 and you can take pictures. Oh, look oh. I thought it's a version of Hong Kong style Sky 100. I don't know. Is it? Pero ang ganda, no? You get the view. Wow, ganda oh. Ganda. Pamparelax talaga oh. Tanggal ang mga but most of all the clouds, perfect clouds. Nilagay mo oil, onion, bell pepper, Garlic. Okay. Ano yan? Appetizer?
Ano po? For ano po? Veggies lang po siya per meat po.
Okay. Oh, luluto si sir. Oh, lakas. Templado na ba yan? Ah, hindi pa templado. Ang tawag dyan? Ha?
Hanger pageant po. Seafood pancake po.
Ano po? Yum galbi po.
Yum-yum.
Yung galbi.
Okay po.
Buttered garlic chili shrimp.
Beef rib soup po ma'am. Galbitang po. Yan po yung gaga po.
Okay, thank you. Cute. May ikot. Hello guys, hope you enjoyed the